Namaskaram friends, let's see 63rd Divya Desam today. It's a very known location, it's a very known Divya Desam. The Chennai Vasis, it's a must visit place for the Chennai Vasis. Yes, it's Thirukadan Mallai. Could you recognize this place name? Mahabalipuram is also called as Thirukadan Mallai. As we enter Mahabalipuram, there will be a nice temple, beautiful, very ancient temple in the left side as we enter from Chennai to Mahabalipuram. It's called Thirukadan Mallai Sayana Perumal Kovil temple. We'll see the details. Thirukadan Mallai itself is a very ancient place. We have seen Pallavas, various sculptures being done there, Arjuna's tapas, one stone elephant, like there are lot of Shore temple, a lot of beautiful sculptures are there to be seen. And also this temple, we should visit this temple too. It's Sayana Perumal temple. Let's see the details. Pundarigar. There's a bhakta called Pundarigar who offers lot of flowers to Lord Narayana. He recollects his memories by someone who said that Lord Narayana's place is the ocean and he lives in the mid of the ocean. He recollects that memories and he wants to get his darshan after offering him the flowers. So he took lot of flowers in a basket and he started draining that ocean using a small coconut shell. People started mocking at him. Is it really a possible thing you are doing? How you can first of all drain the ocean? And do you have some common sense is what everyone started telling him. But he didn't hear those inputs. Instead, he believed strongly that he will get his darshan and started draining the ocean by using the coconut shell. Seeing this, Lord Narayana came immediately to see him by leaving this Adiseshan, bed of Adiseshan, there itself. And then he came to this place, Thirukadan Mallai. And he asked what he is doing to Pundarigar. He said that he wants to get, Pundarigar couldn't recognize this as Lord Narayana. And he started explaining him why he is draining this ocean and he wants to get the darshan. Lord Narayana informed him that he will take care of draining the ocean and he wants some food and he asked him to get him some food. So Pundariga left that place. For Narayana, it's a matter of seconds. He drained it in a matter of seconds and he took Sayanam there. He reclined in that place itself on the land. That's why he gets the name Sthala Sayana Perumal. Sthalam means on the land. He reclines on the land instead of Adiseshan. So that's how he gets the name Sthala Sayana Perumal. Pundariga returned with the food and he asked why he is lying down here. He has to drain the ocean. After seeing the ocean without any water, he asked, where is Narayana? You did the work what I have said. You drained the ocean. But the purpose of draining the ocean is to see Lord Narayana. But you are reclining here simply, but my purpose is to get the darshan. And then he gave the darshan, telling him that he is Lord Narayana himself. So that's why he gave the beautiful Sthala Sayana kolam to Pundariga. That's the legend of this place, Thirukadan Mallai. Nilamanga Tayar is the Tayar's name. She got a separate shrine in this temple. Pundariga Pushkarni we can see, Garuda Nadi, And another significance of this temple is that Bhudathalvar's birthplace is here only. We saw Poigi Alvar. Poigi Alvar is the first Alvar of all the 12 Alvars. He has a birthplace in one of the Divya Desams of Kanchipuram. I explained. Here, Bhudathalvar's birthplace is here. We can see separate shrine for Bhudathalvar also. Bhudathalvar and Tirumangai Alvar have sung beautiful pastorums for Lord Narayana here. And Tirumangai, Nilamangai Tayar is a Tayar's name. I've talked about Thiruvidandai, no? So where idadu side Mahalakshmi sat sitting on Lord Narayana's lap. Similarly here Thiruvalandai shrine is also in this temple campus only. Thiruvalandai is where we can see Mahalakshmi sits and gives beautiful darshan on Lord Narayana. So when you are visiting Mahabalipuram, also known as Thirukadanmallai, do visit Stalasayana Perumal temple, where we can see shrine for Bhudathalvar, shrine for Mahalakshmi Taya separately, and Thiruvalandai Perumal also. That's the detail about 63rd Divya Desam, friends. Meet you all with 64th Divya Desam details. Thank you all. Namaskaram.